Hi, I'm Jason Phelps with Magic Dent. We are a paintless dent repair company that services all of the BMW as well as all of the other Hendrick dealerships in the area. We do all of their pre-owned vehicles. Any dents, dings, creases that we may find on those, we fix those, try to make them back as new as possible. The way paintless dent repair works, we will show you now. So what we have here typically is a standard dent in the middle of a door. We can do larger than this, smaller than this, but this would be your typical dent. What we do is we go in behind the dent and massage it from the inside out. So what we do is we go in behind the metal and you want to push it out slow. Each push is microscopic, and each time you're bringing it out, you're flexing the metal back, keeping the paint intact, and you want to match the orange peel. So when you're done, the finished product is the exact same matched orange peel, factory finish, just like it was when it was painted from the beginning. Just like new again.